Hello everyone and welcome to, should I say, another Canva tutorial, or let me just say welcome to another video where I share tips and tricks that might be helpful to you in designing with Canva. So today there's something I recently noticed. Okay, I just found out about it today, and you know how I do. If I see something that I know will be beneficial to you, okay, I usually share it either on my YouTube channel or my Instagram or on my Facebook page. So today I learned something new in Canva. Some of you might not know about it, while some of you might have seen it or started using it. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into it. So I'll go to create a design over here, and I will select custom size. I usually love selecting 3000 by 3000 because of the quality that it gives me when I download design. I sometimes I increase it, sometimes I just download it that as it is. So 3000 by 3000 it is, and this is our canvas. Okay, we're just going to wait. So I'm just going to select text and just type in anything. So I'm going to use female bosses, or female bosses, so just anything. Okay, I'm going to reduce the line spacing and then increase it a little bit, bring it somewhere here, and maybe try another font. Let's see if this, okay, this looks good. So reduce it again, and then I would just select the lower ipsum text. Okay, so we're yet to get to the good stuff where I show you what exactly I had in mind, okay, to teach you. Now this is it. I'm just going to copy up to this point, copy it, and then paste it here. So we have text. And I'm going to paste the lorem ipsum text. It's looking too big, so I'm going to reduce the size from 98 to maybe 70 or 80. Okay, 80 looks okay. So we have female bosses, we have our lorem ipsum text right here. I'll reduce it a little bit, 75. So now this is it. And then I'm going to select a photo. Okay, I'm going to select the photo. So just type female female boss. Let me add colorful female boss. So we are almost there. I would have loved to use this one or this one. I need a colorful image. I'm just going to just change it to colorful woman. Colorful woman. If I don't get what I want, then I'm going to go for colorful lady. So this is colorful enough. So I'm going to click on edit photo and remove the background. I still miss my old editor though, so if Canva can do something about it, and especially the afterglow effect, oh, I miss it so much. But if Canva can do something about it and just bring it back, I would be happy. So we have the image. We just successfully removed the background of the image. So I'm going to reduce this text just a little bit. Then bring this here, increase the size, just bring it. Let's see if I flip it. Mm, mm. So we have female bosses. Okay, the image might not correspond with the title, but that's not the major that's not what we're trying to focus on. So what I'm trying to show you today, let me spit it out. What I'm trying to show you today, okay, is how to select colors. There has been so many methods that you might have seen on how to select colors for your designs. Okay, there's the color picker tool, and selecting from images, and also the styles option, which I have the tutorial on my YouTube channel. But this is another one. So I'm going to select the image. Okay, click on these three dots right here and select apply colors to page. I'm gonna wait for it. This one. Click on the three dots, apply colors to page. Okay, we're gonna just try and play around with it. Apply colors to page again. It's going to change. Apply colors to page. So if you notice, wow, this is lovely and so beautiful. Canva is really changing the game. So there's a whole lot of options. Now, if you notice, the colors that is changing, all right, are the colors associated with this particular image. We have orange, even the skin tone, we can also find it. You can also find it there. And it's not just changing the background, it's also changing the text and also the elements that has been added to this design. So this is one thing that I would love you to try out. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to let me know. Drop a comment or just like or just appreciate this, and I would create more. All right. So for now, bye bye. My name remains Kelechi Okore, and I am a Canva expert. If you also need someone to create amazing designs for you, be it templates or whatever using Canva, I am your go-to guy. Just send me a DM and we will get to business. So bye bye for now and enjoy this tip that I just shared with you.